want to achieve success in any competitive examinations, particularly UPSC Civil Services Examinations, Combined Defense Services, that is CDS examination, or MPSC, MPSC, like that state level competitive examinations, where general studies marks are considered as most important. If you want to achieve success in such examinations, then variety of options are available. Out of that, I am focusing on two prominent options. The first option, that is prepare your own notes. Many students, they are aware, but few students are not aware that if you are making your own notes, then that study is more important rather than referring out any other expert's notes, because these notes are prepared by yourself. Okay, the question is how to prepare that notes. I am going to give answer of that also. But note making skill is important. Say this is something we are talking about technology. Once you are aware of note making skill and you are starting out preparing notes, not for anybody else, that is for yourself only, then your study is quite precise. You should not discriminate the study that is for prelim examinations or mains examination, or rather I should say objective style examination or descriptive style examination, because you are going to prepare a thorough note of particular topic. Then you will get automatically knowledge and points in front of you. So this study will be helpful for you from both the sides, that is from objective style exam as well as descriptive style exam. Now the question is that how to develop that note making skill. It is not one day process. You have to go through several techniques of note making. You are aware some of them. Say for example, summary is also one of the important note making technique. Then representing data in tree diagram format, tabular format, then point-wise descriptive format, and like that even you can use that we are saying Venn diagrams, flow charts, like that variety of things are there. You can't use only one technique throughout the syllabus. Tabular data formation is really important, but not always, and therefore we have to get involved in certain note making sessions. So right now we are conducting out note making sessions. Details are there in front of you, but only note making skill is not only sufficient. Apart from that, exam practice is also important. So just at beginning I told that various options are available. Out of that we are focusing on two. The first option, that is note making skill, and second option, that is exam practice. Say exam practice with proper analysis of that exam paper is important. Only exam practice is not important. You have to undergo the analysis process of that exam, and then your thinking process will be tuned up accordingly. And therefore we are arranging a session that is for exam practice. So exams are predominantly MCQ type, that is objective style questions only, but they are divided into various parts. Say for example, chapter wise test, topic wise test, then we can say subject wise test, and then at end of the syllabus we are going to complete 3 mock prelims with analysis. So all these things, they are included. Now you can go through the package. On the screen you will see the clearly package, that what are the total fees, what is the duration, and how we are going to propagate. So just date of commencement and all that. So just go through that details. Phone number is displayed over there, cell number 922-184-922. 9650. So you can WhatsApp your name. You'll get automatic response from WhatsApp and you'll get details of this program. However, if you want to discuss, then you can call on this number also. So I hope this way, if you are joining any coaching classes, then it's all right. But if you are not connected to any coaching class, then you can join this note making skill and mock test program.